So you're in a unit on data displays and you run into something that looks like this. And your first thought is, what in the world is this? Well, it might come with a little guide at the bottom that says something to this effect. And you say, oh, well, that right there, that must be 72. But your teacher says, actually, it's 27. Oh, right. So what is this mysterious thing? Well, we would call this a stem and leaf plot for two samples. So what does it do? Well, in this example, the middle column gives the tens for both samples, and on the left and right-hand sides, we have the ones for each sample. On the left, let's call it sample 1, and on the right, we can call that sample 2. So the values of sample 1 would read like this. We see there's a tens of 2 and a ones furthest to the left of 2 in the top row. So that would read 22. Then we would see there's another tens of 2, but this time it has a ones place of 4, 24. Finally, in the first row, we have a tens place of 2 and a ones place of 7, giving us 27. Then we need to move to a tens place of 3. So we would have 3 for tens and 1 for the ones. Then we have 32, 35, and so on and so forth. In sample 2, we would start with 23, then 29, then go down to the 30s, so 34, 35, 38, onto the 40s, and on to the end. This data display turns out to be a really convenient way to compare two rather small sets of data. These data are actually the ages of teachers at an elementary and junior high school. On the left side, we have the ages of a sample of elementary teachers, and on the right, we have a sample of junior high teachers. A nice feature of stem and leaf plots of any kind is that they can be reoriented to look like histograms. For example, if I were to reorient the stem and leaf plots for elementary and junior high separately, we'd see that elementary fits a uniform distribution, whereas junior high fits a unimodal and symmetric distribution. Wow, so cool. So if someone shows you this data display, or one like it, and says, what in the world is this? Just tell them, it's a stem and leaf plot for two samples. And as always, be sure to click subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff.